President YK Museveni has urged more teachers to embrace the teaching of sciences as compared to arts to help the country increase its innovations capacity. Museveni made the remarks at the commemoration of the International Teachers' Day at Kolo in Kampala. The day was celebrated under the theme, "The Teachers We Need for the Education We Want, the Global Imperative to Reverse the Teacher Shortage." Museveni expressed readiness to support the Teachers' Circle and private teachers.
You master reading and counting, then the question comes, what do you read and why? We will then divide the education thereafter in two parts. Number one, the study of society. These are the social sciences.
He also called for institutional housing for teachers to improve on their welfare.
The approach of Kamwe Gomuganda, one by one makes a bundle. Now we can start with the housing for teachers. And the Mama said that you have already started. Your gift, they have already started. Will include that, your gift will include the teachers' houses near the school.
The First Lady, also the Minister for Education and Sports, Janet Kataha Museveni, acknowledged the value of teachers in the development of the country.
Recognizing and appreciating the invaluable contribution of Uganda's teachers to our nation's development. I wish to extend my heartfelt wishes for a happy Teachers' Day to all educators. I'd like to thank God in a special way, who makes it possible for us as a country to join the rest of the world year after year to gather here and have a day to discuss the issues around our teachers' service in this country.
Vincent Elong, the national chairperson for Uganda Professional Science Teachers Union, said the salary enhancement that teachers were given on President's orders improved their livelihoods, before he urged the government to enhance the salaries of the other civil servants.
And quality education, we need relevant and innovative pedagogies that prepare the learners of today for the transformation needed by society in a rapidly changing world. Teachers are one of the pillars on which this transformation depends. Research has shown repeatedly that teachers are the single most important school-level variable for improving student outcomes.
He said that government should enable teachers to acquire accommodations within the schools through construction of staff quarters.
The major cause of this global shortage is the diminishing attractiveness of the teaching profession, which undermines the recruitment of new teachers and produces high levels of attrition among those in service, especially within the first 3 to 5 years of entering into workforce.
Naguja Serena, Big Television.